Hey Tech Explorers! Today we have an exciting new flagship from Realme, the Realme GT7 Pro. Realme has been pushing boundaries in mobile technology, and this latest release is no exception. Packed with top-tier specs, a stunning display, and blazing fast performance, the GT7 Pro promises to be a game-changer. But is it really worth your money? Let's dive in and find out. Starting with the design, the Realme GT7 Pro is sleek, premium, and absolutely stunning. Realme has opted for a curved glass back, which gives it that luxurious feel, and the gradient finish shimmers beautifully in the light. With a thickness of just 8.5 mm and weighing around 195 grams, it feels solid in hand without being too bulky. The phone is available in three colors: Hyper Black, Aurora Blue, and the special edition Solar Gold. But it's not just about looks. The GT7 Pro features an aluminum frame for extra durability and a Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection on the front, so it's built to withstand the bumps and scratches of everyday use. Realme has also included an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, a much-needed feature for those accidental splashes. Now, let's talk about the display, a real highlight of this phone. The Realme GT7 Pro boasts a massive 6.8-inch Super AMOLED panel with a 2K resolution. It's incredibly sharp with a pixel density of 516 ppi, making it perfect for content consumption and gaming. Realme has pushed the refresh rate to 144 Hz, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling and fluid animations, whether you're browsing through social media or playing graphically intense games. Peak brightness hits a stunning 1500 nits, which means outdoor visibility is top-notch, even in direct sunlight. And yes, this display is HDR10+ certified, so you'll get those deep blacks and vibrant colors when watching supported content. Under the hood, the Realme GT7 Pro is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. With up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone is a beast when it comes to performance. You can throw any app, game, or multitasking scenario at it, and it will handle everything smoothly. The Realme GT7 Pro comes with Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14. Realme's software has come a long way, and with this version, it's more refined, smooth, and closer to stock Android. There are a few useful customizations, like dynamic RAM expansion and personalized always-on display options. Now, let's talk cameras. Realme has equipped the GT7 Pro with a triple camera setup. The primary sensor is a massive 200MP Sony IMX989, which delivers incredible detail, especially in good lighting conditions. Alongside that, you get a 50MP ultra-wide-angle camera with a 120-degree field of view, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The camera performance is excellent, especially with Realme's new AI algorithms for better dynamic range and low-light performance. The night mode works wonders, capturing more detail in dark environments without introducing too much noise. The front camera is a 32MP shooter, perfect for selfies and video calls. Plus, it supports 4K video recording, so your vlogs or social media stories will look crisp and clear. The Realme GT7 Pro is backed by a 5500 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. But the real star of the show is its 150W SuperDart fast charging. Realme claims you can go from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes, which is insane. There's also 50W wireless charging, so you're covered no matter how you choose to power up. Other features include an in-display fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and 5G connectivity with dual SIM support. Unfortunately, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack, which might be a downside for some users. So, is the Realme GT 7 Pro worth your money? With its stunning display, flagship-level performance, and ultra-fast charging, this phone competes with the best in the market. It's priced competitively at around $799 for the base model, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a flagship experience without breaking the bank. Overall, the Realme GT 7 Pro is a top-tier flagship that checks all the right boxes. If you're in the market for a powerhouse device with a sleek design, this one's definitely worth considering. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to Tech Explorer for more tech reviews and hands-on content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.